Welcome back to my channel. This is Famous Forex Academy, and today I'm back with this amazing strategy. It's an amazing strategy, but it's very reliable. Okay, so I'm bringing it here for you guys to use the strategy and make yourself some good, cool cash. So first of all, before I start, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. If you've not subscribed to the channel before, I'd like you to share the video, leave some sweet comments, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can always be the first to see a new video whenever I post them online. And also guys, don't forget that we are running a mentorship program where we teach you everything you need to know, and we mold into becoming a professional trader. And also, if you can always trade for yourself, or maybe you are busy and you need someone to manage your accounts, we also do account management, and we give you profitable trades, and we also grow your account every single day. And also we have a VIP group, a Telegram group, where we drop profitable signals. You can also join our VIP group today and get signals to make some good trades. Okay guys, so quickly let's go back to this strategy. But first of all, before we go into the strategy, I would like to share with you the indicators you will need for this strategy. Okay, and the first indicator we need for this strategy will be the moving average on our main chart. Okay, you add the moving average, the period is 60, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, style is 3 pixel, and I'm using a black color. And after that, you click on done. So the next indicator we'll be adding will be on our indicator window 1, which is the relative strength index, which has a period of 1, apply to close, style is 4 pixel, and I'm using black. We have the levels here, the level 90, which is our sell level, a level 10, which is our buy level, a level 50, which is our TP level. And after that, you click on done. Okay, the next indicator will be our second moving average on our indicator window 1, which has a period of 5, shift 0, method is simple, apply to close, style is 3 pixel, and I'm using green. After that, you click on done. The next indicator will still be another moving average, still on our indicator window 1, which has a period of 3, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, style is 3 pixel, and I'm using the pink color. You can use any color of your choice, but make sure it's more visible on your chart for you to see. After that, you click on done. So the last indicator will be another moving average on our indicator window 1, which has a period of 2, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, style is 3 pixel, and I'm using blue. After that, you click on done. After you might have finished installing this indicator, you go back to your chart, and don't forget that this strategy works in all the boom and crash pairs. Okay, and it works on all the time frame, but I'm trying to use the 1 minute time frame because it's very good in scalping. If you want to scalp, the market, I prefer you to use the 1 minute time frame. So that's what we'll be using. As for the zoom level, I'm using the last zoom level. What you just need to do is zoom in your chart completely to the last level, and that is the level we'll be using. So after you might have finished doing this, the first thing you want to do is knowing when to buy or when to sell. Don't forget that if you're scalping, that you're always trading against the spike. So we are using crash 1000 for this example. So since it's crashed, that means we are going to buy. So now, when do you know when to buy? Okay, before you start doing all that, there are some conditions that has to be met before all these things are being done. Okay, these conditions has to be in place before you to start selling or start buying. So for us to buy on crash, the first condition here will be when you find your indicator on your indicator window 1 on a buy zone. Okay, as you can see from here, this is our buy zone here. As you can see, you have to see this indicator reaching this buy zone. You see the lines here on the buy zone, that's the level 10. Okay, your indicators on your indicator window one has to be on this level. Okay, it has to be on the buy level. Okay, but once you find your indicator on your buy level, that is the first thing you watch out for. Okay, the first thing you watch out for before you think of buying. Okay, so once you find this indicator on your indicator window one on the buy zone, okay, you don't just start buying, you wait for another condition, which is the second condition before you can start buying. It's when you find your candlesticks. Okay, find your candlesticks here above the moving average, the black line you're seeing here on your indicator window, sorry, on your main chart. Okay, so like I said, the first condition, we have two conditions here that has to be met before you can think of buying these trades. Okay, so the first condition is when you see your indicator on indicator window one, this line you're seeing here. Once you find this line on your buy zone, okay, this is your buy zone, the level 10. And once you find this indicator on the buy zone, you wait for the second condition to be met, which is this on your main chart. When you see your candlesticks above the black indicator you're seeing here. Okay, so when once that happens, you open your positions and you start buying. As you can see, after that we had the market going up all the way up to here, but we wouldn't want to take much risks and hold for a long time. That's why we had this take profits here. So the moment you find your price getting to this take profit, you can close. But if you still want to take more risks, you can hold more, but I wouldn't advise you to take more risks. I'll advise you to close the market, take your profits, wait for this condition to happen again. These things might happen 20 to 40, 50 times in a day. So all you just need to do is just be patient enough and wait to always see this condition being met. And once these conditions are being met, you open your positions, you buy, you close when it gets to your take profit, you wait again, and you do that over and over again. As you can see, guys, if we try to check this, you'll see that this is happening everywhere. As you can see, this is another example. You see that the price was on our buy position, as you can see, and on a level 10 the price was here, and after that we waited for the price to get above the black indicator on the main chart. And what happened, you see the price got all the way up here. But like I said, I wouldn't want you to hold for that long. So the moment you find the price gotten to your take profit, you close the trade and you wait for another condition to be met. So as you can see, this is happening, guys. It's happening, guys. This is another example. As you can see, we are seeing the price at the level 10, which is our buy zone, and we waited for it to get above the black indicator, and that's what happens. And you can see we had the price up here. So that is very reliable, it's working very fine. All you just have to do is make sure that you insert these indicators correctly. Don't make any mistake, or else you might find yourself losing money. Okay, so far the conditions are in place, and you use the same indicators that I'm using, and the settings are correct. I promise you, you are going to be smiling to the bank. So guys, this is how um the strategy works. It's very simple and it's very reliable. Okay, let's go to another pay. Okay, let's go to boom 1000. Okay, now this is it, guys. This is it, guys. Like I said, if you're scalping, okay, you have to trade against the spike. So that was on crash. So I'm trying to show you another example on boom. Okay, so now on boom, all you just need to do is you wait for the price to get to your sell position, which is the level 90. Okay, so once you find the indicator on your sell zone, which is the level 90, you wait for it to cross the black indicator on your main chart. Okay, the moment you find the candlestick crossing your black indicator here on the main chart, that is when you open your positions and you start selling. As you can see, after that happens, you see that the price went all down to this point. But like I said, I wouldn't want you to hold for that long because it's risky. So the moment you find your market, your price getting to the take profit zone, that is when you close your positions, you take your profits, wait for the condition to be in place, and you start selling again. You know, one thing I like this strategy, it works in all the pace. So while you might have taken a take profit on your boom 1000, you can switch over to crash. Maybe at that point your conditions might be in place, and you take your profit there, you come back to boom, maybe by that time your conditions are in place again. So it works. You go to boom 1000, boom 500, crash 500, crash 1000. You keep going on like that so far you find the conditions in place. Just make that trade, pick your few candlesticks. When it gets to the take profit, you close with profit. So it's very reliable, guys. It's very reliable. It's one of a kind. It's a strategy I've been using over and over again, because before I like showing a strategy, I have to use it and be sure that it's working perfectly fine. And I can guarantee you that this strategy is working very fine. So far you follow the instruction properly, you end up making so much money for yourself. Let's go back and check another example. Yeah, as you can see here, we had the price at the sell position, which is the level 90, and after that we waited for it to cross the black indicator we're having on the main chart. After that you sell, and you see that the market went down all to this point. Okay, but always take your profit. When once you find your market get into your take profit zone, close it with the profit you made. Wait for another wait for it to give you another example for you to initiate your trade and start making money for yourself. So guys, this strategy is one of a kind. It's working perfectly fine. Just trust me. Like I always say, you can start using them on your demo accounts when you're more comfortable. If you don't really trust it, use it on your demo account. When you're more comfortable with it, you can switch to your real accounts and you start trading. But I can always guarantee you that it's 100% working perfectly fine. So guys, that's how it is, guys. That's how it is. It's a very wonderful strategy, a very perfect one. As you can see, this is this is the current price at the moment. As you can see, that the price got to the sell zone, and after the price have gotten below the moving average, you can see it's selling down to this point at the moment, and it has passed our take profit level. So if I thought you were on this chart, you might have gotten your profit at this point, and you wait for the condition to be in place so you can open another trade. So guys, it's working perfectly fine. Trust me, guys. Use this strategy. Come back to my comment section, tell me how it went out for you, but I'm always sure it's going to be fine. So guys, thanks for watching the video, but please, before you go, subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed before, share the video, leave some sweet comments, and don't forget to turn on the notification so you can always get amazing videos whenever I post them online. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you some other time. Bye.